Hi everyone, Lori Whitlock here. If you're looking for a cute little simple holiday project or a way to give a little K-cup and a treat, I've got a darling little wrapper for you that's simple and easy to put together. You can get the SVG file at shop.loriwhitlock.com and you can get the studio file at the Silhouette Design Store. So I've gone ahead and cut out the main base of this holder and the cute little covering panels and glued those on here. There's a little tag with a print and cut sentiment that you can put on the little flag shaped tag here. And then you'll need a K-cup and a little treat. It does not have to be this type of chocolate, but something similar in size would work great. So to put this together, you just need to score, or you need to fold on all these score lines, fold everything to the center. And this little section right here has a glue tab on the end, and you just need to line that up right here to form a rectangle. And this is where your K-cup is going to sit. So I'm going to go ahead and put a little adhesive right there on that glue tab. I'm going to fold it back to here to do that. And then I'm going to go ahead and fold my project right in half, and you can see that is forming the little rectangle there. But I can use the table right here to just glue that down. Just make sure that you're forming a little box rectangle down here in this bottom section. You can fold it this direction as well. Just make sure that it makes a nice square shape down there. And then your K-cup is going to fit right in there. Look how cute that is. And now the top section is going to roll and fold over and glue down here with your little treat inside. But before we do that, we're going to go ahead and put a little string through there and tie it so it can be used as a little ornament. And the other thing we need to do is kind of train this paper to curve. So I'm going to use the edge of the table, and you probably can't really see this, but I'm just using the edge of the table to train that to kind of curve so that when we are done, it can curve just like that. So let's go ahead and put our string, and I'm just using some gray and white baker's twine, and I'm going to feed that up through this hole here. I'm actually going to use my tip of my glue bottle to help me get that through the hole. Just grab that from the other side. Then I'm going to tie a knot inside of here, a nice one, so it won't pull through. You could actually hang these on the Christmas tree or just use them as a cute little place setting favor treat. Let's see how that looks. Perfect. Got a nice little string there. And we'll trim off the extra. Okay, and the other thing I'm going to do is I'm going to take a little glue dot just to help stabilize my project and put that here. It doesn't really want to stick that well to these surfaces, but I think once it's down it'll stick. Just to help stabilize my candy here on top of my K-cup. So I'm just going to put that right in the little holder, and I'm just going to fold that over, and I'm going to glue it down here. And I'm going to use some tape runner to do that. I'm going to coat that really well. It's a good tight fit, and I want to just pull that down and put that in place right there. And that should be pretty tight, so it'll hold your treat in place. And then you can take your little, have a jolly Christmas tag and put it somewhere on your project. Let's see, gotta decide. Actually, I think I'm gonna do it on this side since there's not a seam over here. And you've got to decide if you want it up here or down here. I'm gonna go ahead and put it down in the gray area. And we'll put it just like that. And I think this will be super adorable to hang on the tree and let everybody come and take an ornament, or put it at a place setting. You could even dress it up with some ribbon or a little tag up here at the top with a name on it or something. But how fun is that? Hope you enjoy making these darling little K-cup wrappers for the holiday this season. Have a great day, and we'll see you next time. Bye-bye.